I almost got a lot of people. Welcome, Jacob, to TikTok. Yeah, Jacob Daniel. Touch my leg. Boy, I don't like that. Well, if you would move your car, you wouldn't have to feel it. But your car is in the way. How y'all doing? Y'all on my YouTube channel?
Oh, don't put me on that YouTube channel.
Oh, you don't want like men on there?
Don't.
I thought you like it.
Don't put me on.
Girl, I got 3 people that I already try to figure out what's your Instagram.
No, you haven't.
I ain't lying when I walked up. Hey, Ralph. It was him.
Yeah,
okay. Hey. Okay, left lane for the win. Yeah, look, they trying to get your Instagram. What thing? It's moving so fast. Wesley Schaefer. No, he talking about he went to school with you, girl. Look. You know him?
No.
He went to school with you. Look, Peyton, he talking about her Insta. They trying to get that Instagram. Peyton Moberly. You know Ruly Ramundo? She don't know Ruly. She finna, man, she said in a minute. Hold on. She said in a minute. Did she get her feet done? She got Crocs on. They trying to see some. I'm telling you what they said. They talking about, oh, come on, girl.
Baby, I ain't come out here to look cute.
Oh, she ain't come out here to look cute, y'all. They still want that Instagram. They talking about you cute enough. That what it said? Look, you missing all the comments.
Is she single?
Man said, what's in the left lane? It's another Mustang. Nah, hey. Oh, look. Cute as fuck. I'm trying to tell you. They trying. That's another dude. That's Danny Daniel.
I don't know these people.
Oh, look. Junior. You probably know Junior now. I know you know Junior. Oh, y'all. Junior. She acting like she don't know you now, Junior. Junior, who you can too? She trying to figure out. Look, Greg Johnson said, hey, little mama.
He really over here.
Look, Greg Johnson.
Whatever. Yeah, she cute.
Sweet custom rides.
He said, can we see what tires she got?
Yeah, they talking about what tires you got. For the win. Hey, they said what size tires there?
I don't know.
They said what? Small block or big block?
What tires? I wouldn't pay attention to.
Oh man, what kind of car is it? Small block or big block?
That was a small block.
Small block. Okay, small block.
It was a Mustang, right?
Okay, yeah. Okay, she got look Coyote, y'all. So you know about that Coyote motor?
Yeah.
Okay, you know about that Coyote motor?
What about it?
Okay, she don't know about it. You know about that intake?
Yeah.
Okay, she know about that intake. She got that intake, y'all. She got that intake with a Coyote motor. And some long tube headers.
What the fuck ever is
Yeah, they said some long tube headers, y'all. Long tube headers. They got the long tube headers. You ready to get some tacos? My brother said he ready to get some tacos, y'all.
Buy mine this time.
Yeah. Ford's Pits now in stock by the man. Where y'all going right here with this little Miata? Little Miata. Pick this Miata, y'all. This Miata finna do something. Come on, what he ready? thought that little Miata had some juice on it. He ain't got nothing. We finna get some tacos, y'all. Hey, look out, y'all. I appreciate all y'all coming in. One time for the one time. We done had a good night with y'all. All my people watching on TikTok, man, y'all make sure y'all hit me up. Yeah, man. TikTok. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Yeah. I need all my TikTokers to like, share, subscribe, get on my YouTube channel. Huh? What happened?
Look out, get your garbage ass up here.
I'm ready. I got my shit back there. Hey, give me a cigarette.
Move drive.
I'm ready.
We lost you.
That's a weak bitch.
Yeah, I'm first. I'm first.
But let's gang it up, nigga. That's what I'm about.
That's all we said.
That car got 22 on. Y'all ain't had no problem last time, right?
Right. Hey, we ain't run the race y'all last time.
You got out there.
Y'all was talking shit.
You got out there, though.
Hey, this nigga gonna do this shit right now. Well, right?
Yeah, I'm first. Nah, I'm first.
Listen.
No race. He said no race.
Hold on. I don't get y'all. When this bitch hurt, everybody out here want to race.
No, y'all, we ain't never tried to race. We ain't never tried to race.
Nah, the bitch ain't hurt.
Let's take our time.
I'm just trying to fuck him.
I just walked up and heard about a race. That's why I want to
fuck him bad. I want to fuck him bad. Look, I want to fuck him bad. I want to fuck him.
Oh, he fucking, y'all.
He beat me.
I
beat this weak bitch on 22. I beat this weak bitch on 22. Yeah. I fucked him up. Look out. You ain't don't hide. Nigga, you hold on right now. I'm looking at you like this.
You ready?
Don't hide.
I got my shit over there. You want me to pull up?
Hey, look out.
I
love my wife so much that I think I'm gonna marry you today.
Come on, let's go.
I think I would divorce
Come
my
on.
wife for you.
Come on. Let's jump the broom. You ready?
Give me a ring.
I'm finna get out. I'm finna come through the gate, jump the broom, man. The broom, the water box.
You want to drive him?
Come on, let's jump the broom, man. The water box. The water box, the broom. Let's go jump it. You ready? Huh?
Your ass for the night over.
Thank you.
Your ass for the night over, fam.
We married. We are married.
All right, we're gonna jump the broom.
I'm better hold I'll leave first.
Okay.
You left on me last time.
Okay, yeah, I left first last time.
You got me.
Okay.
So the Yello Belly shit.
Okay, bet.